Memorization Challenge, Day 238, Omega Teacher Bible, Verse of the Day. Psalms 147:11, in King James Version. The Lord taketh pleasure in them that fear Him, in those that hope in His mercy. Psalms 147:11. Thanks be to God po. Share the love.
Good day. Good job. Perfect.
Bible verse, Memorization Challenge, Day 238, Omega Teacher Bible Verse of the Day. Psalms 147:11, in Tokusin version, or in Papua the Guinea language, on Psalm 147:11. Di play sabe kisim amamas, long ol man Mary, kusat ipret long em, long ol dispela, kusat ihop long sorry bidong em. On Psalm 147:11. And in Tagalog version, awit 147:11. Ang Panginoon ay naliligaya sa kanila na nakakatakot sa Kanya, sa nagsisiasa sa Kanyang kagandahang loob. Awit 147:11. King James Pisin Bible. So thank you, Igulonggod. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Share the love.
Good day, good job, perfect.
Bible verse, Memorization Challenge. Dito one. In Tokusin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, on Psalm 147:11. Bigla isa bekisim amamas, long on man Mary, kusat ipret long em, long on dispela, kusat ilo.